I am Ajay Chavda. I have completed my B.Tech in Computer Engineering from Indus University in 2020. After completing my computer engineering, I had worked in non-IT field for 1 year. When I made a decision to change my career in IT field as a software tester, I found STAD Solution and I joined their course where I learned all the technical concepts like how to write test scenarios, test cases, bug reporting, and I have also performed live testing of web applications and mobile applications. I got an excellent knowledge about manual testing as well as automation testing and got placement in Mobiquity Software Private Limited. I would like to thank my trainer 𝚃𝚃𝙸𝙽𝙾 sir, mentor Richa ma'am and Ajay sir for their continuous guidance and support. I recommend all the students to join STAD Solution for making a bright future in software testing.